It is 10:25 p.m. and I'm heading down to Chitina. Not bad for an hour. Probably gonna slow down. Grab something to eat real quick. I got down here at like 4 in the morning. Stayed the night in Chitina. Just crashed out in my truck and then jumped in. Woke up at like, I don't know, probably noon. Came out here, launched a boat, ran into some folks. That was pretty cool. Started fishing. I got probably 20 something fish in the first hour. And then ended up finishing up my my limit in the next 2 hours. So I'm out here cleaning these fish and fighting off the seagulls. So I'm gonna get these buttoned back up. But that was pretty much, you know, a Chitina run. I've spent a lot of time out here for days not catching my limit. This is the first time I've limited out just in a couple hours. So that was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna smoke some of this stuff. I'm gonna can it. It's gonna be really awesome just food source for the winter. That's why they do this subsistence fishing. And there's probably 100 videos of guys doing this out here, so I won't make this a long one. Just wanted to show you guys what we're up to and kind of how we do it. So this is it. All right, that's it. Got everything cut up and in the coolers on ice, so gotta get them back to the house as quick as possible. Maybe stop for a burger, but oh, there's a harbor seal right there. awesome. I'm gonna try to get some footage of him. Those harbor seals follow the, or sea lions, whatever they are. They follow the salmon up. It's like 100 miles up this river. Anyway. I think that kind of seals the deal. I'm gonna head out.